out of here. Plan will contact you when you get inside.
Welcome back. See, you didn't even have to answer the phone. I'm keeping my eyes on you, as usual. I trust you've had a vacation worthy of real heisters. You worked hard. You needed it. But you were needed once again. There is a room behind the kitchen. Go there. I've prepared the starting kit for you. There we go. Now put your mask on.
Okay, let's do this.
First of all, beside that starter kit, another package is waiting for you in the back alley. My accomplice will assist you. He's waiting. Look up. Catch. Pick it up. It's your money that I laundered. Some extra in there for your generous contribution to Overkill. Go inside and drop the bag on the table so you can count it. I hope everything is there. Throw the bag on the table. Some cash. Look at it as a welcome gift. To get you started, I expect you will pull in much more. Now, pick up the money. Alright now, this is your safe house. This is where you spend your time off duty. It's not much at the moment, but give it some time. I'm working on it. And I'll let you do some decoration yourself soon. See that statue? Lady Justice. Hand her some money. Get down there. I'll show you a secret. Gentlemen, welcome to your safe house. Okay, to your left is your CrimeNet station. This is where you get your contracts. To your right is your security cameras. Look around and I'll tell you more. Go hit up CrimeNet when you're ready. Doors. You can try these out too. Keep in mind that there are lots of ways to get one open. In our line of work, closing doors is pointless. Opening them is what matters. If you missed any info, just use the button to play a pre-recorded message. Oh, the best room in the safe house, the vault. Your money is here. Your spendable cash is piled on that table. If you get enough, maybe we can upgrade this place, huh? For now, just enjoy the view. We'll put more in here, I promise. That offshore account is your exit fund. When you skip town, you'll be glad you put it right there. Otherwise, any questions? I'm sure you can figure out the rest. Feel free to come here whenever you want. It might be worth coming by consistently. I love this room. Give your weapons a try in here. Light them up. They will ping back up. I love this room. Give your weapons a try in here. Light them up. They will ping back up. Here's your mask area. Pretty self-explanatory. Of course, you can customize masks like you can customize weapons. We'll hang all your completed masks right here. So the safes can be drilled, even picked, if you have the skill. I know this is elementary for you, but practice is practice, right? Remember to keep bystanders away from the drill. They might notice the sound. Remember to keep bystanders away from the drill. They might notice the sound.